Hello my lovely people. Today I want to show you that you can actually cook your egg in a microwave. Now I got 2 eggs here. I'll just put my salt and pepper. So now we're going to cook it in the microwave. So this is the microwave. So cook it in the microwave just for a few minutes. Make sure you cover it, okay? Make sure you cover it. All right. Just let's give it 2 minutes. Okay, it's finished now, so let's check. Let's see what we've got. Let's see what we've got. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna have it with my toast. Guys, can you see it? That looks really good, eh? Ooh, look at that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look at it. This is so yum. This is so yum. I'm gonna use it with my toast, guys. I'm gonna eat it with my toast. Look at that. I've got 2 toasts here. So I'm gonna put some butter and that's gonna be my breakfast. Right, I'll just put my butter and I'll have it with a cup of tea. Alright guys, see you soon.